I'm Jackson Rudolph with Team Paul Mitchell Karate and founder of the Flow System. And today I want to give you some tips on a very popular move, sometimes called a circus tap or an anti-gravity. The move looks like this. Now, if you're going to be trying this move, you want to make sure that you first have down the circus. The circus is a bow move where you're holding the bow from very slightly below center, taking the bow around your back, and leaning back, pulling that wrist up to make the bow shoot off of that right shoulder and out for a catch with your left hand like so. That's the circus. If you already have that technique, then you know that you're ready for the circus tap. The tap is something that a lot of people get confused on. I see a lot of people trying to tap with the right hand, but the problem with tapping with the right hand is that the bow is resting on my shoulder. And so if I start to move this right hand, I might move my right shoulder and mess up the slide of the bow as it leaves my body. Another common mistake that I see is people trying to hit the bow with the back of your hand when you tap it back. That just hurts. You don't have to do that. Use the palm of your hand, come in from underneath, and just kind of smack the bow straight back to you. The drill to get better at this little tap back is to hold the bow out in front of you at the bottom with that right hand. Have your left hand just scoop through, smack the bow from underneath, and come back to the hand. Make sure that right hand stays close so it's ready to catch after the bow does that half rotation. Tap, catch. Tap, catch. Now for the actual circus tap, once again, you're going to be sliding it out. Once it leaves that right shoulder, left hand's going to tap, bringing the bow back to your hand. And that's the circus tap.